guys, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna be playing California Science. There's new stuff unlocked. Not all the stuff, but a few stuff. So I got the water. There you go. Alright,
Wait, Specs, there is a whole dimension of rainbows?
Yeah, sure is.
let's head to the
Awesome.
Let's set the tree. So yeah, I haven't unlocked 2 of them, so we're gonna be trying to do that. But if we don't, then we're gonna go make some other stuff. We're gonna play the other one. So yeah, let's just go here. Oh yeah, we're gonna actually be completing one of those too. Some of them. Yes. I was very there. Oh, this is bouncy. So okay. Which the one there? Hello. It's lagging.
Recording sucks.
Yeah, my game is lagging, guys. So
Either
I'm straight to this game. So yeah.
or yeah. Yeah. I'm learning this skill. I'll show you it right now. Look. Oh. Just get up here. Where you have it. So I think yeah, right here. It's like right here. And then yeah, it's really hard to do. But yeah, it's something else. This thing on. Yeah. Yeah. It's probably just a video that's probably like an hour long. So yeah, but this is kind of the only time that I'm able to do this. Okay, nice. Oh my. Dang it. We're gonna move on. I'm gonna go back. Alrighty. Alright, I'm gonna go change my color codes back to my other color codes because it's a little too dark. Official color code reveal. I think it's 1, yeah. If not, then oh well. Oh, it's red. I think it's 6. I mean, it's close to, so. Yeah, it's 6. It's 6, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, I just got a few jukes in, and the video. Very good, he's coming up, okay? Perfect. Hi. Hi, pal. No! Bro, just tag him, let's go! Got him. I like it a lot. I'll probably change it to like yellow maybe. But yeah, for now it's just purple. Page doing that just over and over again. It's not we're gonna like all the time. Oh, tag. Haha. I'll end the video there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah.